Hi, it's Erica here. Today we are making this lovely miniature mushroom girl out of paper pulp. And I'm not gonna show you the armature this time because I already made it in another video and I will show that at the end of this video, so check it out. So let's just start at the beginning here. I'm putting the pulp on that I made from a commercial paper mache pulp. It's from Michael's. And to keep things clean, as you can see, I'm using some cling wrap. And I'm adding the gills there with the tool. And both sides are done. Now I'm getting some foil and wrap it around the stalk, bark it up, and then just secure it with some masking tape. Now it's time for the face. I'm using foil again. I'm just trying to get that egg shape for the face, and the pulp can go on. I'm just trying to form a rudimentary face at the moment, and I will start working on it with the tool because it's quite small for my fingers, but I will still use my fingers whenever it's possible. I'm adding pulp to the stalk as well and try to make it nice and even with the tool. Work some more on the face. I already got the basic eye sockets there and the mouth, a bit of a nose. Everything is basic at this point, no worries. It doesn't look very good, but as I work on it, it will just evolve nicely. And I used to be really stressed out about this at the beginning, but if you're starting on faces and figures, don't worry, just keep, just refining features and just keep working, developing, and it's gonna get along nicely. I'm making the jawline there, and before I made the facial bones, the form around it, and now the mouth, developing the eyes a bit more. The brow line is already there, and just keep refining. Soon she will have an expression as well. There you go, she's smiling. I never know actually what expression I will get. I just go with my instincts and with my hands, I guess, whatever comes first at that moment. Once the piece is dry, I will use a rasp to get rid of some bumps, and now I'm adding the beginnings of the arms that will help me form the arms later. Her chest is done somewhat, and I will add a lot more pulp at the bottom so that she's more balanced. Because of the large cap, she might tip over otherwise. Once the bottom side is done, I put the figure on the cling wrap so that it doesn't stick to any surface. And that will be the beginning of her skirt or dress. We will see later on. I'm not sure at this point. Now her little ears, See how delicate, how small that is, but I'm still able to work on it with my fingers. Now it's time for the arms. Just made that little stick there, and now you see why I made those two balls at the shoulders. They help me put the arms in place. Her hand is holding that the frills. Very basic at this point. And I'm trying to shape things now. The little fingers are there. Not very realistic, just somewhat. I like that smile. And here she is. She's finished. I didn't show the painting part this time, maybe in another video.